We're expecting you and love, life's sweetest reward. Let it flow, it floats back to you. It's an open smile.